In this video, I will show you how to streamline your workflow by using Claude to automatically build comprehensive documentation directly inside your Notion workspace. This integration is a game changer for developers and project managers who need to turn messy notes into organized resources without the hassle of manual formatting. To get started, open a new chat in Claude and look for the plus icon located in the chat bar at the bottom of your screen. When you click this, a menu will appear where you can manage your integrations. You need to ensure that the Notion toggle is switched to the on position. If this is your first time connecting them, you will be prompted to authorize Claude to access your workspace. Once your accounts are linked, you are ready to use a powerful prompt that does all the heavy lifting for you. Simply paste your raw meeting notes, snippets of code, or specific feature details into the chat. Then, give Claude a clear instruction by typing something like, "Create a page in my Notion documentation database called Project Roadmap." Make sure to specify the structure you want so the output is polished. I recommend asking Claude to format the page with clear headers for an overview, a getting started guide, the core architecture details, and a frequently asked questions section. This ensures your documentation is professional and easy for your team to navigate from day one. Claude will then communicate with your database and generate a beautifully structured page in real time. This process saves you hours of copying and pasting while keeping your knowledge base consistent and up to date. It is the perfect way to turn a brain dump into a functional asset. I hope this simple workflow helps you stay more organized and productive. Thank you so much for watching and good luck building your next big project.